you ever wondered why Monaco is regarded as one of the most attractive places to live on planet Earth? I could bore you for days with all the detail, but let me summarize the top 10 reasons for you in a couple of minutes. Number one, a hugely attractive tax regime. If you let us guide you through the process of becoming resident in Monaco, the Principality's tax system is one of the kindest in the world. It dates back to the establishment of the casino at Monte Carlo in the late 19th century. The ruling Grimaldi family decided that they were making so much money from the out-of-town gamblers that they could afford to abolish income tax for their citizens. That same approach has been adopted to most other taxes in Monaco. So today's residents enjoy zero income tax, zero capital gains tax, zero wealth tax, and zero inheritance tax for your direct heirs. The second reason is world-leading security. The tax regime tends to attract wealthy people to Monaco, but no financial benefit will be valuable enough to put your family's safety and well-being at risk. The world has lots of tax havens, but many of them leave a lot to be desired from a security perspective. Monaco has one of the lowest crime rates in the world, and reassuringly, the highest ratio of police per head of population. They're also exceedingly well dressed, and frankly they look far too stylish to ever get caught up in anything as vulgar as crime. Even Prince Albert feels comfortable walking the streets of his principality with minimal security presence. So it has a great tax regime and fantastic security, but let's talk about the Mediterranean climate. If you hail from Northern Europe, you'll appreciate the 300 days of sunshine that Monaco offers, with glorious summers and mild winters that will make you think twice about jetting off to one of your other homes. If you have school-aged children, you'll be pleased to know that there are a great mix of local and international schools here in Monaco. Our own Marquess of Bristol was educated in Monaco, as was the multilingual Formula One world champion Nico Rosberg. Equally important is Monaco's central location. If you're thinking of settling in Monaco, I'm guessing that you have other homes around the world. With Nice Airport just 7 minutes away by helicopter and 30 minutes by car, you can get here from just about anywhere in Europe in a couple of hours. Equally, once you're here, you've got the Côte d'Azur, Provence, and Italy right on your doorstep. Healthcare facilities in Monaco are world-class, though if you're over 70 you will need to show evidence of private health insurance before you'll be granted residency. Perhaps the most attractive aspect of all is the unique Monaco lifestyle. You'll be joining an elite cosmopolitan population who've decided to make Monaco their home. They contribute to the Monegasque culture and lifestyle, and each has their own story to tell. With a raft of cultural activities, art, music and dance, there's always something fascinating to do in this tiny principality. Part of the lifestyle is the cuisine. The restaurants and specialty food shops will tempt your palate with delicacies from every part of Europe. Then we need to talk about the world-class events that want to sprinkle some of this Monaco stardust on their own activities. Perhaps most famous for the Monaco Grand Prix and the Monte Carlo Rally, these are just the headlines in a crowded annual calendar of global sporting events. Those two become self-reinforcing as major sports want to benefit from the Monaco brand, while each event helps to spread the message about Monaco's attractions. The motorsport calendar now includes the biannual Grand Prix Historique and the electric excitement of the Formula E series. There's also the Monte Carlo Open Tennis Championship, the Monaco Yacht Show, and a host of business conferences that are held in the Grimaldi Forum. Unlike some tax havens, Monaco is also known for its business-friendly approach. If you want to relocate your existing business here or start a new one, the Monaco authorities are more than willing to help. They've even set up an official welcome office to guide you through the process. Many international businesses have a presence in the Principality, so you'll find a ready source of the legal and financial support services essential to business success. Last, and by no means least, you need to understand the Monaco real estate market. Your first response will almost certainly be shock at the price levels. €1 million for the smallest studio apartment? 5 million for a reasonably sized 2-bedroom apartment that may not even have a sea view? All the way up to €30 million plus for the most sought-after penthouses in the best parts of this 2-square-kilometre territory. Even these prices will be surpassed once off-plan properties on the reclaimed Portier Cove become available in the next year or so. It is the most expensive real estate in the world. So why would thousands of the smartest, richest people in the world pay so much for so little? For all the reasons I've already stated, plus one more. Monaco real estate has a powerful track record of 10% per annum year-on-year capital gains. Watch my district-by-district videos elsewhere on this platform to see what I mean. The chances are that €5 million apartment you buy today will be worth 10 million by the end of the decade. A 100% tax-free gain just for living in one of the most desirable places on earth. Are you ready to take a serious look? Just use the Contact Us form on this page and let's start the conversation.